family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General and the store I went to, y'all, love it. So I'm going to go ahead and get to this video so I can tell y'all what I got and how much I actually spent. Okay, so the first thing I did was the sale that is going on. It's if you spend $10, you save $3. Okay, on it's the Colgate, Suavitel, and I forgot the third one. I'm sorry, y'all. I think it's Ajax, I'm thinking, but I'm not for sure. But if you scan the product at the bottom, if you scroll down to the bottom once you scan it, it will tell you which things are participating. Okay, if you spend 10 and you save $3. So what I did was I got the Colgate Max Fresh. I was trying not to do the Colgate, but honey, this was actually like free, so I'm like, I had to go and get this Colgate because I have a lot of Colgate, y'all. And if y'all know, y'all know. Okay, if y'all know about Colgate toothpaste anyway. Okay, so this Colgate Max Fresh, they are $2 and I think they are 85 cents. Yes, $2.85. So I purchased 3 of them. And then I had a 3 off of 2 and a $2 off of 1. I should have trying to see if the other Colgate, the kids Colgate, was attaching to the $2 one. But I just went ahead and purchased these 3 and let it go. So, because I don't think that one is on the spend 10. I'm not for sure. I did not scan it. But if it is, oh well, it is what it is, okay? Then the other thing I got was this Suavitel freshener. It is a new one. It's a Suavitel Complete Hygiene Fresh. So if this one looks like if someone is sensitive, I think, you know, it might be good for them because it looks like it's got baby on here. So this is the Suavitel. Let's see. It is, where's my Suavitel at? $3.50. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. Yes, y'all, only 50 cents. But sometimes it's like that. Then the Suave Men, there is, it's the 3-in-1. You want to try to get the 3-in-1 or just actually scan it to actually see. It is $2. There is a $1 off Dollar General digital coupon that is attaching to this product. Okay. The next thing is the CoverGirl. Y'all know, if y'all know, y'all know. These CoverGirl pencils, okay? Eyebrow pencils. They are, let's see, the CoverGirl, they are $4.75. $4.75. There is a $4 off digital coupon, just making this just 75 cents, okay? I have a lot of these, y'all. The next thing is the Scott Comfort Plus 6 Big Rolls. This is $3. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Also, if you want to, you can get the 12 Big Rolls. That is $5. And there is a $1 off digital coupon also that is attaching. It's the same one. Either you get the 6 big roll or you get the 12 big rolls, okay? One or the other of the Scott Comfort Plus. The next thing is this Rexall 50% off alcohol. This is $1. There is a 25 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. You have to get the 50% off because the other ones are over $1 if you get it. So if you just want to get this one, put it in your stash because you know you got kids, you know, you might cut yourself. This is a real good product to use, okay? The next thing is these Airwick warmers with the refill. These are $3.50 each. I got the vanilla and pink papaya, and then the fresh linen, $3.50 each. I have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that did attach. Okay, then the last thing was the Nitro Pepsi. Y'all know about this vanilla draft cola. If y'all know, y'all know. When y'all on my channel, I use my last manufacturer coupon. This Nitro Pepsi is $2 and the coupon is for $1. I don't know if it is still on coupons.com, but you might want to look on there because that's where I got the coupons from. Okay, so after she scanned all of my items, I put in my number. My subtotal was $8.05. Yes, $8.05 for all of this, y'all. And you can't beat that, okay? Because you've covered a lot of things that I've gotten in this transaction. So let me show you my receipt. All right, so there's the Airwick, both of them. There is the Scott Comfort Plus. There is the CoverGirl. There is the Pepsi. There is the Suave Men's. There is the Suavitel. And there is the alcohol. And there is the 3 Colgates. And then, like I said, $8.05. You know, everybody's taxes is different. And look at my total savings, honey. $23.75. You cannot beat that. And then I got a 5 off of 25 for next week. And y'all know how I am with the paper. So this right here is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Channel.